Did you know that air quality in your home can significantly impact your health and comfort? In fact, indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. This is especially true during the winter months when we seal up our homes to conserve heat, trapping pollutants like mold, dust, particulate matter, and volatile organic compounds inside. So what can you do to bring healthier air solutions to your home this season? Let's explore. Start with Air Duct Cleaning. Beyond reducing dust, it improves overall air quality, creating a healthier environment. Meet the iWave Air Purifier, an innovative solution integrated into your HVAC system. It actively targets viruses, allergens, dust, and odors without generating harmful byproducts. Maintain optimal humidity with our Whole Home Humidifier, minimizing airborne particles, especially for winter well-being. Sometimes we have an abundance of humidity in the home and we need to bring those levels back down. And that's when a Whole Home Dehumidifier comes into play to control those high levels of humidity and bring them to a comfortable zone. There's a lot of issues that can come with high humidity in the home, such as mildew, bacterial growth, and overall just discomfort. So we can install these typically in the basement. We can also duct them into the system and control your high levels of humidity. But what about UV light technology? Integrated into your HVAC equipment, UV light eliminates airborne bacteria and viruses for winter wellness.